One of the biggest struggles I see with nonprofits and brands is they have trouble coming up with not only a brand name, but also a mission statement, a vision, and core values for themselves. They know with a nonprofit, they know what they want to serve or who they want to serve and what serves their heart, but they're not sure how to project that out. So I'm going to show you in this video how I'm using technology like AI. You can use ChatGPT for this. I'm going to use Jasper for this one. And I'm going to show you exactly how I come up with brand names that I can use, mission statements that I can use, and then the core values that I can use in a little less than 5 minutes. So this will be a pretty quick video, and then go over and do this right away. You can use Jasper. I'll put an affiliate link down below that you can use that, but you can also, like I said, use ChatGPT. So let's jump in and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. All right, so I'm creating a nonprofit currently around no added sugar. And the reason I'm coming out with a nonprofit like that is because pretty much all kids' snacks have added sugar. It's befuddling to me, and it confuses the hell out of me because I don't get why we have to feed kids all this sugar. Things can be sweet enough with just fruit. So I'll give you one quick example. Larabars. Larabars are great. They're dates and nuts usually. And then they have some other ingredients to make different flavors. And it's great. My kids love them. Dates are natural sugar and it's not added sugar. So it doesn't make them go crazy or anything. And they love the flavor of them. But if you look at Larabar for kids, they add like 10 grams of sugar per bar, and it doesn't make any sense to me. So I'm eventually going to be coming out with a food brand around no added sugar, but I'm actually going to start a nonprofit first. And my goal is to appeal to mothers and fathers, parents that want to feed their kids no processed crap. So no added sugar. That's kind of my main mission around it, is no added thing. And the first thing we're going to come out with is actually a Nutella alternative. Nutella is 80% sugar and like 20% palm oil. Palm oil destroys the rainforests, and so it cuts down rainforests to make more palm oil. And then it's 80% sugar, so it makes your kids absolutely nuts. And they feed it. It's at school, and it's like, why do you guys feed? You wonder why our kids aren't behaving correctly. It's because you're feeding them sugar, 80% sugar. So we're coming out with a Nutella alternative that's actually sweetened with dates, almonds, cashews, hazelnuts, and cocoa. What else do you need? It tastes amazing. We've actually got a couple formulations already, and hopefully by the time you're watching this, it's out. It's called the Hangry Nut. Hangry, Hangry Nut. So go look for it if you haven't found it. But anyway, that's not the point of this video. But we're going to create a nonprofit to just build awareness on snacks in the no sugar added space. And so that's where I'm going to start this. Hey, it's Dr. Travis Ziegler, and I'm going to thank you for watching this video. Now, if you haven't started your nonprofit, or you're looking for a way to increase and build awareness around your nonprofit by getting more donations and getting more traffic on your blog, then head to pineapplesforprogress.com. Pineapples for Progress is our nonprofit division of our advertising agency, Profitable Pineapple Ads. It's where we help you get the $120,000 Google Ads grant. Now, if you're not a nonprofit yet, we'll help you get started with your nonprofit as well. So we'll help you start your nonprofit. We'll help you build your website, and then we'll also help you get that Google Ads grant and run those $120,000 a year in Google Ads that you get per year. So that's $329 a day that you are leaving on the table from not advertising using the Google Ads grant. We'll help you get it. We'll help you maintain it. We'll help you build awareness for your nonprofit and build your donations. And then if you haven't started a nonprofit, I'd love to talk to you about why you should have one. So head to pineapplesforprogress.com. pineapplesforprogress.com. All right, back to the video. And so my first prompt is going to be creating a brand name around a nonprofit that is against added sugar. So let me just type that in real quick. All right, so create 5 names for a nonprofit that is against added sugar. An example of this would be no added sugar. We want to help educate parents around snacks and foods that do not have added sugar for their children. I'm just going to hit send. And there you have it, 5 names. And then let's say you didn't like any of those names. Give me 10 more names. So now we have 15 names right there. And so let's start with our mission statement next. So give me 5 mission statements. Make it fun and appealing to parents that are in their 20s and 30s. There you go. You have 5 mission statements. Again, if you wanted to you could say, give me 5 more and make them funnier. And there you go. You have 5 more. And let's say you wanted to put your core values on your website as well. Let's say, give me 10 core values. I'd recommend 3, but 3 on your website and 3 in your actual paperwork for your nonprofit and everything. But get 10 to, again, brainstorm. There you have it, 10 core values. So now we have our brand name, we have our mission, and we have our core values for this. So I hope you saw how easy it was to use technology like Jasper, ChatGPT, any of those to come up with your brand name, your mission statement, and your core values incredibly quick. It took me less than 3 minutes to do all that, maybe 5 minutes or so. But that's what I want you to do next, is I want you to go create your brand name, create your mission statement, create your core values. Now, I know there's something in your heart that you truly want to serve, whatever it is. And using things like Jasper can help expand upon that. And the worst thing to look at is a blank page and think, okay, what is my mission statement going to be? But you have something that you want to truly serve. It could be the homeless population. It could be feeding hungry children in third world countries. It could be anything that serves your heart, and it can be anything local as well. And so what serves you? And then go over to Jasper and figure out your brand name, your mission statement, and your core values. And then I'll see you in the next video where we're going to go over actually starting your nonprofit. Hey, I wanted to thank you for watching this video, and I picked out another video just for you. So make sure you check out that other video. And what do they need to do? Do they need to like and subscribe?
Yeah.
Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this content. What do you think?